Hi guys, Ancient Warrior. Welcome back to Prepping and Free America. If you like what you hear here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be the first kid on your block to know what craziness I'm talking about next, hit the bell icon with all. Leave comments too, folks. I'll get to them ASAP. Here's a subject I really don't like talking about, but in light of what's going on in Ukraine, knowing what's going on in the Pacific, and knowing the lack of what's going on our southern border, I find myself compelled to talk about this. You know, I'm always telling you folks, get your food, stack it from the floor to the ceiling, into the rafters, get water, get a means of protection. Let's talk about that means of protection. What goes along with that? Most preppers tend to run out shortly after they decide to become a prepper, and they buy a pea shooter, little handheld pea shooters, and then they go out and buy a potato cannon. Yes, I'm camouflaging this a little bit, folks. Okay, guys. So you've got your pea shooter and your potato cannon. Do you have extra potatoes to set in the potato cannon? You have extra peas for... How about the holders for those? Excuse me. You have the holders to hold the potatoes or the peas. You need to have extras. One or two is not going to be enough. Hell, 15 or 20 may not be enough. Now, if you have to arm up, you have a kit. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you something. Your kit is designed by you, not by me, not by any other channel. It's what you decide you think you need. Personally, myself, I have a kit. I have about 4 of various kits for various things. I carry one in the car, in a bag, in case I have to walk home. I have one in this closet right over here. With a potato cannon right next to it. Folks, you need this kit. You need to be able to carry extra potatoes, extra peas, but you also need a medical kit. Need a trauma kit, which means a tourniquet. You need to learn how to use it. And you need to be prepared to use it. You need to be carrying one in the car. You need to be willing to use it. If you have children, now, I started my career shooting, I guess I was about 7, when I was taught how to use a .22. My 13th birthday, I got my first real rifle, 30-06. It was an old M1 Garand. Back in the day, you could walk into Woolco's or Sears or any of the stores that had big department stores like that and find a barrel of antique rifles sitting there. And at that time, there was no paperwork for a rifle. Till the early 60s, we didn't even have paperwork for a pistol. Guys, you need to build a kit. You need to keep it with you, and you need to be prepared to use it. With that being said, guys, have a blessed day. Pray for our friends in Ukraine and in Russia. Pray for our leaders. They need all the help they can get right now. And pray for common sense for them. That they pull their heads out and start thinking. So, with that being said, I'm the Ancient Warrior. It's better to have this equipment and not need it than need it and not have it. We're out.